Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install WPS Office in Windows 11 operating system by the simplest way. WPS Office is the free alternative of Microsoft Office or MS Office. So let's go and install it. First of all, just go to the any web browser and here just type WPS Office. And the first link is from the wps.com. It is an official link of WPS Office. Open this. Okay. In this website, we find two links. Here is the download and here is the free download. Okay. Then just click on download or free download. I just click on the download. Here we find Windows, Mac, Linux, and also we find Android and iOS. It is available on Android devices and iOS device also. So I want to install it on the Windows. So I just go to the Windows and click on the free download. I just save it on the desktop. Okay, save it, start download. Okay, download is completed. Close it, minimize it. Here is the our .exe file of the WPS Office. Just double click on this file. Now just click on I have read and agreed to WPS license agreement. Okay, and okay, uncheck this. If you not uncheck this, your PDF file directly open in WPS Office. So I uncheck it and click on the install it. Now our downloading is started. It's download the files that needed and then it is install WPS on your Windows 11 operating system. Now just click on the get started and your WPS Office is now started. Okay, sign in as a WPS client, start your free trial. Okay, I'm just going with the start your free trial. Okay, now I just click at here continue with the Google. I am going to sign in with the Google account. Now close it. I am signing with the Google account. Don't worry about this money. Okay, now we can create a document, separate sheet, presentation, PDF or PDF to Word. You can use any MS Office or Microsoft Office file in this WPS Office. So guys, this is the simplest way to download and install WPS Office in Windows 11 operating system by the simplest way. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.